So, we have seen the question. So, according to the question, if we draw the diagram, so we can actually see that in the question it is mentioned two tower unequal. So, you know the diagram of unequal distribution. Here is the sag from the first tower S1, let us assume that from the second tower it is S2. This is what you need to find actually. In the question they said that from the taller tower you need to find the sag, not from the small tower. Okay. So, this is what you have to find out, and so x1 and x2 it is just from tower 1 the middle point, and from tower 2 it is x2, which is actually 600 meter apart the distance between the two tower, and you are provided with some information like ice load is given 1 kg, okay, and your weight actually is given 1.925 kg per meter of length. It is already in kg per meter. Please note that sometimes if it is like the weight, if it is provided in it must be actually okay. So, the weight must be in kg per meter, must kg per meter. If it is in kg per centimeter or whatever, you have to convert it to SI unit, okay. Everything you need to so it is already given in kg per meter, so no need to convert, but the ice load is 1 kg. So, now ice load means like the wear, it is not only the wear now, ice is already been, ice is accumulated in the wear. So, that weight of the ice is 1 kg per meter. Okay. So, now the total weight is actually now 2.925. If maybe air have got, if air pressurized, then maybe we need to add another quantity, but you see in the question air is been neglected. They did not gave anything about air, only they said that ice is. So, you have to you cannot ignore. Okay. 1.925 plus 1, we get the weight of the the total weight, which is 2.925 kg per meter. We need this information. Now, after derivation we know that it is a fixed formula actually. For unequal load, the formula is sag equal to weight multiplied by x2, which is this distance, the center of the sagging point to the tower, to the whole square, divided by 2 into tension T. T, if you are lucky, may be directly given, but sometimes it is not given. Sometimes T is given like the uniform mass is 8000 as mentioned in the question. So, which is maybe which was given 8000 kg per, actually most probably, let me just check the question once. So, I just checked, it is 8000 kg per centimeter square, okay, and total is 2.2 centimeter square is the area of the cross section. Okay. So, in 1 centimeter square it is 8000 kg. So, for 2.2 it is 8000 multiplied by 2.2, pretty simple. Okay. Now, here is one thing, see this is in centimeter square, this is in centimeter square. So, when you multiply, the two thing actually gets cancelled. So, you do not need to worry about the SI unit thing. Okay. But in case say if this is centimeter and this is meter square, then you need to convert the meter square to centimeter square and then you have to multiply. So, please make sure that the calculation you need to must keep in mind that you are aware of all the SI unit things, okay, because these things might lead to not getting you the exact value, okay. And then safety factor is 5, it is fixed. The formula of tension is uniform strength divided by safety factor. So, this is another formula, okay. So, please note this is a formula, it is applicable for both equal level sag calculation and unequal level sag calculation. So, 8000 into 2.2 divided by 5, we get the tension which is 3520 kg tension, and we actually know one equation we can actually set, which is x1 plus x2 is 600 meter, okay, x1 and x2 is 600 meter, this is equation 1. So, we found out S2, we write another equation S1 which is same as this, just Wt into x1 squared divided by 2t, okay. And we know that we are provided with one information, that is the difference between S2 and S1 is 15 meter, okay. So, from here we can say H equal to S2 minus S1, we put S2 value and S1 value in the equation, and this is 15. So, just normal algebra, okay, Wt by 2 I take common, okay, I take this part common. So, I can write a square x square. So, this falls under the formula a minus b a plus b. You all may be aware of the formula that a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b, this is basic algebra formula, we all know that. So, from here okay, x 2 plus x, okay, this one we can say this is equal to 600. So, we have written 600, okay. x2 minus x1 we have to keep it like this. Wt it is actually 2.925 and 2 multiplied by t, 2 multiplied by t. So, now this is equation 2. So, you have equation 1 which is this and equation 2 which is this, and you use simultaneous equation and you find x1 and x2 to be this. 270 meter is x1 and x2 is 330 meter. And now, what is our question? Our question was to find S2. So, it is pretty simple, you just know the equation of S2, right. So, you put the value of 330 meter here, Wt is 2.925, 2 into tension, tension is also given, and you get your answer, okay. So, this is about unequal sag calculation. In the next class, we will see few more examples regarding sag, okay. So, this is all for today, thank you.